ॐ ॐ ॐ ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं व्रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम्। श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीत महो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गागीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिधदुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम्। आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम्। चोट्टानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणम्। नारायण अखिल गुरु भगवन् नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. So last time we had done 82nd Dashakam, but because of lack of time, we just completed the chanting of it, learning to pronounce and the chandas, but we had not seen the meaning of it. So today let us start first seeing the meaning of it. We'll complete it quickly and then take up the new Dashakam. So in this Dashakam 82, Bana Yuddham Mrigamoksham Cha. So first is the Chrakdhara meter. Pradyumno Raukmineya. Pradyumno Raukmineya Sakhalu Tavakala Shambarenahritastam Hatvaratyasahabto Nijapuramaharat Rukmikanyancha Dhanyam Tatputrotha Gunanidiravahad Rochanam Rukmipautrim तत्रोद्वाहे गतस्त्वन्यवधिमुसलिना रुक्म्यपेद्यूतवैरात्. So now the scene over here is Pradyumnaha, the first word, and the second word is Raukmineyaha. So Raukmineyaha means one who is born from Rukmini. That means Rukmini's son. So who is Pradyumna? Pradyumna is Rukmini's son. Okay. Sa khalu, indeed, tava kala shambarena ahritastam. So he was ahrita. Ahrita is kidnapped. Kidnapped by whom? Kidnapped by Shambara. Shambarena, third case, instrumental. Shambarena, by Shambara. He was kidnapped. So what is Sakhalu? Sakhalu means he indeed. Pradyumna, indeed the son of Rukmini, was kidnapped by Shambara. That's our first line. Second. Hattva ratya sahaptaha. Hattva. So we have seen this as Tvantavya. Having killed. You have finished one action, then you go to another action. So that is Tvantavya. If a dhatu, that means the verb, doesn't have a prefix, then it is Tvanta. If it has a prefix, then we go for the Lyabanta. Having done one action, then we are doing to another action. So Hatva. So in that first line, the last word is Tam, right? Tam means him. So Tam Hatva, having killed him. Killed whom? Killed Shambara. Ratya. Ratya is third case of Shabda Rati. With Rati. And Sahaptaha. Ratya Saha. So whenever Saha word is used, we get a third nomination. That means with Rati. Aptaha. Came back. Came back where? Nija Puram. To his own place. Where? That is Dwaraka. Okay. Then Aharat Rukmi Kanyam cha Dhanyam. So Rukmi Kanya. Rukmi Kanya, daughter of Rukmi. Dhanyam, who is very lucky. Aharat. He carried Rukmi Kanya also. Rukmi Kanya also he has carried along with that. Then next line. Tat putraha aniruddhaha. So aniruddhaha. So what he has done? Guna nidhihi avahat rochanam Rukmi pautri. Rukmi pautri. Rukmi putri means Rukmi's daughter. Pautri means grandchild. So her name is Rochana. So the granddaughter of Rukmi. Avahat. means married. Udva had to marriage to with Aniruddha. And then the next line, Tatrodvahe, to that marriage, Gatastvam. Bhattatari is saying to Bhagwan Krishna that you had gone there, Nyavadhi, killed Musalina. Musalina is the one who is holding the Musali, the plow, that means Balramji. So by Balram, Musalina, again third case, Rukmiyapi. Rukmi was also killed because of what? Vyuta Vairat. The Vyuta Vairat, some playing the dice game, and that time some animosity was developed, and Rukmi was also killed. So many things happened in that first verse. Let's go to the second one. Now the chandas change. First was the Sradhara, 7 plus 7 plus 7. Now Vasanta Tilaka. बाणस्य साबलिसुतस्य सहस्रबाहोः माहेश्वरस्य महिता दुहिता किलोषा त्वत्पौत्रमेनमनिरुद्धमदृष्टपूर्वम् स्वप्नेनुभूय भगवन् विरहातुराभूत्. Bhagavan in that last line. So, oh Lord, Banasya. So, Shashti Vibhakti. Apostrophe is Banas. Banasya of Bana. Apostrophe is Banas. Bali Sutasya. Bali's son. So, Bali's son is Bana. Bali's son. Sahasra Baho. Who? That Bali's son who is having Sahasra Bahu means Bana who is having Sahasra Bahus. Sahasra need not necessarily be also 1,000. It can be many. So, 100 times I told you when we say that. Have we literally said 100 times? So it means I told many times. So like that. Sahasra Bahu maybe 1,000 arms, but maybe having many arms. So that Bana who is having 1,000 arms, who is Bali Sutta, who is son of Mahabali, Maheshwarasya. So who is Shiva Bhakta? He Banasya. No, he is Duhita. Duhita is daughter. He is Duhita. And her name is Usha. Where is that Usha word over there? Kilosha is there, right? Kila Usha. What Sandhi? Quickly. Kila Usha. A plus U is giving O.
Guna Sandhi.
Guna Sandhi. So A plus U is O. So Kilosha. Kila plus Usha. So and Mahita. Mahita means who is very famous, who is having lot of qualities and who is well known for good things. So that Bana Sutta. So now about Usha, it has been said. What has happened? What Pautram, Bhattatari ji is saying to Lord Krishna, your Pautra, grandchild, Enam, who Aniruddha. So this Usha, Adrushta Purvam, she has not seen Aniruddha before. But Swapnenu Bhuya, she has dreamt of him. She has seen Aniruddha in dream. Who? Usha. Who is Usha? Bana's daughter. Who is Bana? Mahabali's son. Okay. So Mahabali's son Bana, who is a Shiva Bhakta, who is a mighty armed one, his daughter, who is also very famous, she dreamt Tvat Pautra, your grandson. Bhattatari is saying to the Lord, means she dreamt of Aniruddha. She has not seen him before. And then Bhagavan, oh Lord, Viraha Turabhu. And in the dream, she saw him and now she is feeling the pangs of separation. She goes into a Viraha Bhava. She's not seen him. She's not met him. So Usha has not met Aniruddha. She saw him in the dream and now suffering the pangs of separation. Viraha Turabhu. That is our third verse. Next one. Yoginyativa kushala khalu chitra lekha tasya sakhi vilakhati tarunan sheshan तत्रानिरुद्धमुषया विदितन्निशाया आनेष्टयोगबलतो भवतो निकेतात्. See what all powers people have, okay? Yoginyativa, Yogini Ativa, Yogini, having great yogic powers, Ativa, so much, Ativa, too much. Kushala, having Kushala, very dexterity, very skilled one. Khalu, really, indeed, Chitralekha. So, Tasyaha Sakhi, second line, her one friend, whose name is Chitralekha, who is a yogini, and who is Asti Kushala also. Huh? She's Ativa Kushala, she's having good yogic powers and all. Vilikhati Tarunan Asheshan. She used to draw all the prince and boys treatment. Asheshan, all, everybody's pictures, this Chitralekha had a habit to draw. Tatra, in that, Aniruddham, Ushaya Viditam Nishaya. Okay. So Tatra Ushaya Viditam. By Usha it was recognized. Tatra, in that picture, she saw Aniruddha and Usha recognized that. Nishaya, in the night. Nishayam, in the night. Saptami. Seventh case. Yoga Balyataha Aneshta. Chitralekha, with her yoga bala, she brought him. Bhavataha Niketat. Bhattatari is saying to the Lord, from your Niketat. Niketat, house. Niketa, house. Niketat, Panchami. From your house, Aniruddha was brought in the night to Usha. By whom? By Chitralekha. How? With her yogic powers. Okay. So this is our verse 3. Number 4. कन्यापुरे दयितया सुखमारमन्तम् चैनं कथञ्चन बबन्धुषि सर्वबन्धौ श्रीनारदोक्ततदुदन्तदुरन्तरोषैः त्वन्तस्य शोणितपुरं यदुभिर्न्यरुन्धाः. Okay, now what happens? Kanyapure. So where all young girls are there. Okay. So now spinster's place. Daitaya. With so the third case, with the beloved, with the dear one. Sukhamaramantaha, enjoying happily. Cha enam, this one. Who? Aniruddha enam, this he. Kathanchana, some. Some. Babandhushi, he was tied up. And Sharva Bandhau. Sharva Bandhau, Sharva is who? Sharva is Lord Shiva. Sharva Bandhau, who is Lord's devotee, Lord Shiva's devotee, we can say. So now this scene is there, that somehow this one, when he was enjoying, who? Aniruddha was enjoying, he got somehow tied up. Okay. Then Shri Naradokta, by Shri Narada, Shri Naradena Ukta Udanta, by that news, Durantaha, unbounded anger. So when Naradji told, there was this anger, then along with Yadubhihi in the second last word, Nyarundhaha. So Nyarundhaha, it was gone and conquered. So who? When Lord was told by Narada that Anuruddha has got trapped in some Pasha Bandhaha, he was, right? Lord goes and he goes to free. Okay. Where it was? It was in that Shonitapura. Shonitapura is which? We had seen this earlier in some dashak, where it is Bana's place. So Bana's place, because she has taken him, right? So now Lord Narada has told, now Aniruddha has tied and gone over there. So now that Bana city, that Shonitapura is being attacked. Then, now the again meter changes. Now it goes into Shikharini. पुरीपालशैलप्रियदुहितृनाथोऽस्य भगवान् समं भूतव्रातैर्यदुबलमशङ्कन्निरुरुधे महाप्राणो बाणो झटिति युयुधानेन युयुधे गुहः प्रद्युम्नेन त्वमपि पुरहन्त्रा जघटिषे. So now what has happened? Puripalaha, the one who is protecting that city, Bhagavan Shailapriya Duhitru Nata. Shailapriya Duhitru, so Shaila mountain. Shailapriya, Duhit. Shailapriya, deer of the mountain. Druhitru, daughter. Nathaha. So, Parvati is Natha, Shiva. So, to say Shiva, so many ways it is. Shailapriya, Duhitru, Natha. Okay. We got that word, right? Shaila is mountain. Shailapriya, dear to the mountain. Duhitru, daughter. And her Natha. So Parvati is Natha. That is Lord Shiva. Okay. Then what happens to him? So he is the guardian. So now when Vana is Shiva Bhakta, we saw that, right? Maheshwara in the first word, Maheshwarasya. So now because he's Shiva Bhakta, so Shiva's Bhutavrata, Shiva Ganas have now come out over there. Lord has gone, Lord Bhagwan Shri Krishna has gone there to free his grandson. So now Bana being Shiva's Bhakta, Shiva's Dutas and Shiva has come, Nirurudhe. So all of them have gathered over there now. And now there's going to be a big war. So Nirurudhe is to block. So they Shiva Bhutas have blocked. But now this Mahaprana Banaha. So Mana is very Mahaprana. Okay. We saw his Sahasra Bahu is there, right? So now he's strong. Jhatiti, quickly. Yuyudhanena, by Yuyudhe. So fought. So Bana is fighting with Yuyudhanya. Yuyudhana means who? Satyaki. Okay. Then Guhaha. Guha is who? Skanda. Skanda is fighting with Pradyumnena. Skanda is fighting with Pradyumna. Tvamapi. Bhattatreji is saying to Lord Krishna, Tvamapi, you also. Purahantra. Purahantra, the one who is Tripura Nashaka, means who? With Shiva. So now Lord Bhagwan Shri Krishna is Jaghatishe fighting with Lord Shiva. So now you see, Aniruddha is in the Pashabandha. Lord with his army has gone to free there. Bana is protected by Shiva's Duta. Now all that has gone. So everybody is now, so Bana is now fighting with Satyaki. Skanda is fighting with Pradyumna. And Lord is fighting with, means Lord Krishna is fighting with Lord Shiva. This is the scene in verse number 5. Next. निरुद्धाशे शास्त्रे मुमुहुषि तवास्त्रेण गिरिशे धृता भूता भीताः प्रमथकुलवीराः प्रमथिताः परास्कन्दः कुसुमशरबाणैश्च सचिवः सकुम्भाण्डो भाण्डन् नवमिव बलेनाशु बिभिदे. So, Niruddha Sheshastre. Niruddha is to block. Ashesha Astra. All the weapons were blocked. And Tavastrena Girishe. So, by your weapon. And Girisha is Shiva's. So, both sides the blocking is happening. Then, where did this word go? And Tavastrena, by your weapon, Mumuhushi. So, over here, they have not said which weapon, but it was Lord's Mohanastra weapon that because of which Shiva has become unconscious. Of Krishna's Mohanastra weapon. Mohanastra is not mentioned over here. It's only mentioned by your weapon, he became unconscious. Where is that word unconscious? That Mumuhushi. Okay. So then because of that, Dhruta, immediately, Bhutaha, all the Lord's Ganas, Bhitaha, they were frightened, and Dhruta, they ran away from there. And Pramatha Kula Viraha, Pramatha Kula. So those who were the leaders of Shiva's gang. Pramathitaha, they were also crushed. Pramatha was also crushed. And Paraskandaha Kusuma Sharabanaihi. Kusuma Sharabanaihi, third case plural. Banaha, arrows of Kusuma Shara. So Pradyumna is that Amsha Avatar of Kamadeva, right? So his banas are called as Kusumashara. Okay. And the Skanda also and was defeated. Paraskandar, Paraskandar, defeated. And this Sachiva, who's Banas Sachiva? Sachiva is one of that minister. Huh? Kumbhandaha. So that Kumbhanda, that Sachiva by name Kumbhanda. Balena. Balena means by Balramji. Huh? Like the description is given like Bhandam Navam, like a new pot. Bibhide. He was he was broken like a new pot means he was defeated. Okay, so Pradyumna. So by Lord's Mohanastra, Shiva has become unconscious. All the bhutas have fled, and all the Gana heads they were crushed. Skanda was defeated by Pradyumna, and Kumbhanda, who is Bana's minister, is defeated by Balrama, and the simile is used as Navabhandamiva Bibhide, like a new pot he was crushed. Okay. Next verse is seventh verse, again going back to Surabdhara meter, 7 plus 7 plus 7. Chapanam panchashatya rasabhamupagate छिन्न चापेथ बाणे व्यर्थे याते समेतो ज्वरपतिरशनैरज्वरित्वज्वरेण. If you are not able to hold the breath, you can break it. व्यर्थे याते समेतः ज्वरपतिरशनैः ajvarittvajvareण. So if you should know where and how to break. Otherwise, go full in one single breath. ज्ञानी स्तुत्वाथ दत्त्वा तव चरितजुषा विज्वरं सज्वरोगात् प्रायोऽन्तर्ज्ञानवन्तोऽपि च बहुतमसा रौद्रचेष्टा हि रौद्राः. Okay, Chapanam Panchashatya, Pancha 5, Shati 100. Chapa, arrows. Chapa is not arrow, sorry. Chapa is bow. So Panchashati arrow is 500 bows. Who Bana is having so many hands, right? So with his 500 bows, Prasabham Upagate. Bana came attacking with 500 bows. Means from one bow, how many arrows can be sent? So with this Sahasrabhav, he is making use of it very nicely. Then what has happened? Chinne chape. So his bows were broken. And then Vyarthe yate. So Vyartha, it was useless for him any time. Then Jwara, Samapati, Jwara, Sametaha Jwarapati. Huh? So Jwarapati. So in Ayurveda, we have this Jwara, the fever, is born out of Rudra Kopa. So over here, the Jwaras that we are hearing, it is out of the Kopa of Rudra, it is born. So over here, we are not taking as fever, but here we are taking as those Bhuta Ganas only. But I just wanted to correlate that in Ayurveda it is said. And one of the medicine is to chant is Vishnu Sahasranam in a fever. So these complicated fevers are there, right? One of the type is, let's say, COVID or any other like typhoid. So where you don't know with what reason the fever has come. Vishnu Sahasranam is one of the remedies for that. Just got to correlate over here. So with the Jwarapati, Ashanaihi Jwari Tvajwarena. So with all that Shiva Jwarapati, Tvajwarena, your Jwara means your Shiva's Ganas and yours Gana means Shaiva and Vaishnava fight. Ashanaihi immediately Ajwari was made feeling very bad. Then Jnani Sajvaraha. Though Sajvaraha, that Jvara, the Shiva side Jvara, Jnani, they became enlightened. And then they what? Stutva. They praised, having means our Tvantavya, Stutva, having praised the Lord. What has happened? स्तुत्वा दत्त्वा tava charita jusham, your praises were sung. And then because of that, vijwaram, they became free of the jwara, vijwara. And agat is they go back. Then prayaha antaha jnanavantaha api, that word. Prayaha, generally, antaha, inside, jnanavantaha api, they have knowledge. But bahutamasa, they are so much in tamasic. Who? The Shiva Ganas. Huh? Raudra cheshtahi rudraha. So they perform the cruel acts only. Though they are jnanis, because of their tamasic nature, they perform the cruel acts only, like that it is said. So again, there is so much Vedanta coming in over here. We'll not dwell on that. That it is our own intrinsic nature that leads us to the knowledge, and whether we hold on to the knowledge or not will also be according to our own intrinsic nature. In a sattvic form, only the knowledge can be held on. Sometimes we can't give up our likings for the food. If we say, okay, no onion, garlic. Why? So some rajasic bhav is there into it. Tamasic bhav is there into it. Sattva cannot be had. So if we are on certain seeking lines, then you have to have certain diet. To get rid of some disease, when the Vaidya tells don't eat this, don't, especially if you're having an Ayurveda doctor, you would have so much do's and don'ts for a particular disease. Then when we are suffering a Bhava Roga, we will have to have certain pathyas. Why? Though antarjnani, we are having example of Shivagana. See over here, though they are antarjnani, bahutamasa, they are in the tamasa, Rudra Cheshta Rudraha. They will do only the Rudra Cheshta. Number 8. बाणन्नानायुधोग्रम् पुनरभिपतितम् दर्पदोषाद्वितन्वन् निर्लूनाशेषदोषं सपदि बुबुधुषा शङ्करेणोपगीतः तद्वाचा शिष्टबाहुद्वितयमुभयतो निर्भयम् तत्प्रियन्तम् मुक्त्वा तद्दत्तमानो निजपुरमगमः सन्निरुद्धः सहोषः. So Sahoshaha. Then again that like Kiloshaha, this is also like that. Sahoshaha is like with Usha. Saha Usha. But it is like Kiloshaha indeed. That first verse. Okay, now let us go. Banam Nana Yudhogram. Nana Yudhogra, who is having so many cruel weapons. Who? That Bana. And then Punarabhipatitam Darpadoshat Vitanvan. So he had this darpa dosha, arrogance dosha. Punaha patitam. He got up again to attack the Lord with so many nana yudhogram. That Balam. Then for him, nirluna ashesha dosham. He was freed from all the defects. So now defects is that arrogance internally also, but externally it is representing all his 1,000 arms are representing as the dosha. So his all hands were only cut off. Okay. And means his defects were all removed and making him what? Vitanvan, making him sapati. Immediately, bubudhusha shankarena. And by Lord Shiva, he was made realized that there is a problem. So again, we need Guru, we need God's grace to see what we are seeing in a right sense. What we are seeing may not be the truth. Then immediately he was Upagitaha, he praised, and Tadvacha. Tad means his request. By whose? By Shiva's request, Bana was praising Bhagwan Krishna. And then Tat Priyantam. So he is free of him. Like that it is said means he in the first is of Bana and he is Priya of Shiva Bhagwanji. So he was asked him to just leave him, not kill him. Okay. So again, the Lord protects his bhaktas. So Shiva is protecting Bana. Okay, you remove his defects. So all his Sahasra Bahu, now he is having Shishta Bahu Vitayam. So only 2 hands were kept for him. So he's removed all of his defects, he's removed his arrogance, he's now subdued, and Lord Shiva has prompted him to praise Lord Krishna, and he has praised, and he has also Nirbhaya Muktva, that he should make him free, not, whether I'll get killed or not. That fear of life was also removed. And then he Datta Manaha, Bana gave mana to Krishna Bhagwanji, and Krishna Bhagwanji has written, Saniruddhaha along with Anuruddhaha, Sahaushaha Vidusha, Nijapuram Agamaha. Lord has come back to his own city. All this scene of Bana was subdued. That scene finished. Next, Shikarini Chandas again. Mohostavat Chakram. So now in this verse, no, so many Lord's Leelas that they have just summarized. Okay. So they are not describing so many things now, only just they are naming the Lord's Leelas. Muhostavat-chakram varunamajayo nandharane yamam balanitau davadahanapane nilasakham vidhim vatsasteye girishamiha banasya samare vibho vishvotkarshi tadayam avataro jayati te. Muho, again, tavat, then Chakram, Sandhi, Chakram. So, Chakra, that is Indra, again and again, how he was subdued. Means Bhagwan Krishna, even from that Govardhana lifting and all we know. Then Varuna Majayat, then Nanda Harane, when Varuna, when he has kidnapped Nanda Babaji, how Lord has done his Leela to get it. Then Yamam Bala Nito. So, Yama, Lord has gone to Yama, Bala Nito. He has brought his Guru's son over there at that time. Then Davadahana Pane. So Davadahana Pane is when the forest had caught fire, how Lord had drunk up all the fire. Then Anila Sakham. Then how the Anila Sakha, Anila is Vayu. Anila is wind. Anila Sakha, Vayu is Agni. How he has that time subdued Agni. Then Vidhim Vatsa. Vidhi is Brahmaji. Vatsasteye. Then Brahmaji had stole the calf. Then how Lord became those many calves, right? And those many, even the what they wore, what everything Lord became, even the things living, non-living, everything, and he replicated the whole scene. Brahma is thinking he has stolen everything. Then after 1 year also, how nothing. Lord is living as those gopas, gopis, cows, calves, everything, and whole Gokula was so very happy. So Vatsaste when he had stolen. So that then Girisha Miha Banasya Samare. Now this Girisha with the Girisha with Lord and this Banasya Samare in this Bana's fight here. It means this also the latest one. So many things, Vibho, oh all pervading Lord. Na? Ayam Avatara, your Avatara, Jayati Te. It's like so many evils have been won over in your this avatar. So like this in this verse, all his some leelas have been just expressed and kept that you have been doing so many things. Why it is happening? Because we know now the last verse is coming and he will conclude, Pavaneshwara Pahi Mam, when he will say that, oh Lord, you please protect me. So in next one also he has said what? Dvija Rusha. So Dvija, Brahmana, Rusha, anger. So by Brahmana's anger, when this Nrupa, when this king Nruga got Krukalasa Vapuhu Dharam. Krukalasa, he became a chameleon by the curse of a Brahmana. When Nruga got a curse of a Brahmana, he had become a chameleon. And then Tridivalayam Apayan. So then Tridiva Apayan, he was sent to the heaven. And but over here, Lord wants to say that Nija Jane, into his own people, that Dvija Bhaktim Anuttamam Upadishan, that Lord wanted to show over here that how to serve the Brahmins. And he just wanted to show so that Nruga Leela was done. So again, one more thing is just listed. Pavaneshwara Pahi Mam. So Lord, you protect me. You've done so many Leelas. My one disease, you cure, is what Bhattakiriji says in the end. So much time has gone in our summing up only. So just imagine if we had to do the whole Dashakam, then probably 1.5 hours was done. So now let's dive into our 83rd Dashakam. In this Paundraka Vadhavarnanam, Vividha Vadhavarnanam cha, most of it is in the Vasanta Tilaka Chandas. So let us start. Are my kids over here? Okay. Yes, I found you. Hurry up, my dear. Vasanta Tilakas, we all know what it is. Many times we have seen. Let's go ahead. Rameth Gokulagate Pramada Prasakte
गोकुलगते प्रमदा प्रसक्ते
Bhutanupeta Yamuna. Sorry. Bhutanupeta Yamuna Damane Madandhe.
भूतानुपेतयमुना दमने मदान्ते
Correct. स्वैरं समारमति सेवकवादमूढः
स्वैरं समारमति सेवकवादमूढः
ऊतन्ययुङ्क्त तव पौण्ड्रकवासुदेवः
दूतं न्ययुङ्क्त तव पौण्ड्रकवासुदेवः रामेथ गोकुलगते प्रमदा प्रसक्ते भूतानुपेतयमुनादमने मदान्धे स्वैरं समारमति सेवकवादमूढः दूतं न्ययुङ्क्त तव पाण्ड्रकवासुदेवः पौण्ड्रक
Poundraka, pound. Not, you said pa, I think. So say pau, oh. Say that last line, Dutanyayumta.
दूतं न्ययुङ्क्त तव पौण्ड्रकवासुदेवः
Excellent. So, Rametha, Atha Rame, Gokulagate. So, when we get this Saptami, Rame, Gokulagate, so that means when this happened, then this happened. So, when we have to use that phrase, when this happened and this, then in Sanskrit we use the Saptami Vibhakti. So, Rametha Gokulagate, when Rama means Balramji, has gone to Gokula, that time, Pramada Sakte, he was in a very asakta, he was in a mood of very sporting with so many Kumaris over there. Then Bhutanu, uh, Bhuta, Bhuta Anupeta Yamuna Damane Madandhe. Again, so Madandha, he was intoxicated also. Not only he was Pramada Prasakta, not only he was in his asaktive most form, he was Madandha also. And Yamuna Damane, when he, in that intoxication, he has called Yamuna. Puta Anupetaha, Puta called Anupetaha. Yamuna did not come. He was Madanda, he called Yamuna, but Yamuna Damana didn't happen. That time, Swaira Samaramati, he was in a very that kind of a mood and he changed actually the course of Yamuna. When Yamuna didn't come, he changed the course. So that is one other story. And that's how Yamuna is on the Gokula side. So we'll not touch that story now. So those who are very curious, go to 10th canto of Bhagavatam. And whenever we'll reach there on our Friday class in Bhagavatam, we will see. Otherwise, for your for your curiosity, you can reach 65, 66, 67, 68, all those chapters of 10th canto. Anyways, so let us go ahead. So now, so this is one scene happen over there that Balramji was sporting. Madandha he was, calls Yamuna. Yamuna doesn't come. He changes the course. This is one scene. And that particular time, Sevaka Vada Mudhaha, some stupid minister. Okay. Sevakavadha Mudaha, some stupid minister of who? The last word. Paundraka Vasudeva. So, this ministers who have advised this Paundraka Vasudeva wrongly, so this one has sent Dutam Nyayungta Tava. He has sent messenger to the Lord. Who? Paundraka Vasudeva has sent messenger to the Lord. When Balramji is having some fun, this messenger has reached Lord. What is he saying? That we will come to know in the second verse. But this they have shown two scenes simultaneously in one verse. Rameth Gokulagate Pramada Prasakte भूतानुपेत यमुना दमने मदान्धे स्वैरं समारमति सेवकवादमूढः दूतन्ययुङ्क्त तव पौण्ड्रक वासुदेवः. Very funny things you are going to hear now in the second verse. Okay, ready? नारायणोऽहमवतीर्ण इहास्मि भूमौ
नारायणोऽहमवतीर्ण इहास्मि भूमौ
हत्से किल त्वमपि मामकलक्षणानि
धत्से किल त्वमपि मामकलक्षणानि
उत्सृज्यतानि शरणं व्रजमामिति त्वाम्
उत्सृज्यतानि शरणं व्रजमामिति त्वाम्
भूतो जगाद सकलैर्हसितः सभायाम्
दूतो जगाद सकलैर्हसितः सभायाम् नारायणोऽहमवतीर्ण इहास्मि भूमौ धत्से किल त्वमपि मामकलक्षणानि उत्सृज्यतानि शरणं व्रजमामिति त्वाम् दूतो जगाद सकलैर्हसितः सभायाम्.
So this Duta of Paundraka Vasudeva has now reached Krishna. What is he saying over there? Narayano aham avatirnaha iha asmi bhumau. Okay, iha bhumau aham Narayanaha avatirnaha asmi. Got the meaning? Iha bhumau, on this bhumi, I am Narayana's avatara. This messenger is going and telling Lord Krishna that Paundraka Vasudeva has said that he is the Narayana and he has taken the avatar as Narayana on this bhumi. First line. Second line. Dhatse, drop it, killer, definitely. Tvamapi, you also. Mamaka Lakshanani, what are my signs? Mamaka Lakshanani, that proves that I am Narayana. So you are holding all of that. Okay, that's say you are holding your dharana, you are holding the signs of that which shows, which Narayana holds. What Narayana holds? Shankha, Chakra, Gada, all this is there, no, of Bhagwanji's. You are holding that Dhatse, you are holding it. Utsrajyatani, remove all that. Sharanam Vrajamam. Paundraka Vasudeva is telling his messenger to tell Krishna that Krishna is holding all the signs and symptoms which shows it is Narayana, and that Krishna should drop that and Sharanam Vrajamam, and Krishna should take refuge, Sharana, in Paundraka Vasudeva. Okay. Mamiti Tvam Duto Jagada Sakalaihi Hasitaha Svabhaya. Oh my God. So Sakalai Hasitaha, everybody in the Sabha, in that assembly, in the Darbar of Krishna, everybody started laughing. Tvam Jagada. He has said this to you. Jagada is to tell. The Duta has told all this to you. Narayanohamavatirna ihasmi bhumau धत्से किल त्वमपि मामकलक्षणानि उत्सृज्य तानि शरणं व्रज मामिति त्वां दूतो जगाद सकलैर्हसितः सभायाम्. Hari Om. Nish, let's do the number third verse. दूतेऽथ यातवति यादव सैनिकैस्त्वम्
भूते च यादवति यादव सैनिकैस्त्वम्
यातो ददर्शिथ वपुः किल पौण्ड्रकीयम्
यातो ददर्शिथ वपुः किल पौण्ड्रकीयम्
तापेन वक्षसि कृताङ्कमनल्पमूल्य श्रीकौस्तुभम् मकरकुण्डलपीतचेलम्. Not to pause after third pada.
तापेन वक्षसि कृताङ्कमनल्पमूल्य श्रीकौस्तुभं मकरकुण्डलपीतचेलम् दूतेऽथ यातवति यादव सैनिकैस्त्वं यातो ददर्शिथ वपुः किल पौण्ड्रकीयम् तापेन वक्षसि कृताङ्कमनल्पमूल्य श्रीकौस्तुभं मकरकुण्डलपीतचेलम्
Awesome. Lovely. Thank you, Anish. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Anisha. Anika. Okay, so now let us see what happens over here. Dutetha yatavati. Dute yatavati. So again, that Saptami has come. When that Duta has gone, Yadava Sainikaihi, with the Yadava Sainikaha, Tvam Yataha. You had also gone over there. Dadarshitha. Then when you go over there, what did you see? Vapuhu kila Poundrikeyam. On that Poundraka's vapu, on his body, you have seen tapena, by heating, vakshasi, krutankam. One mark with the burn is there on his chest, on that Poundraka's chest. Analpamulyam, not less. That means very costly jewelry. Shri Kaustubh also he is wearing. And not only that, Makara Kundala also he is having. Not only that, Pita Chelam, yellow Vastra, Pitambara is also, this one is wearing. So Lord sees everything what Paundraka Vasudeva, what Lord is wearing, everything Paundraka Vasudeva is also wearing. दूतेऽथ यातवति यादव सैनिकैस्त्वम् यातो ददर्शिथ वपुः किल पौण्ड्रकीयम् तापेन वक्षसि कृताङ्कमनल्पमूल्य श्रीकौस्तुभम् मकरकुण्डलपीतचेलम्. Any kids are there? Prahlad is there? Okay, adults can raise hands now. Lataji, I have only one hand. Okay. Okay. Lataji. Number 4. कालाय सन्निज सुदर्शनमस्य तोस्य
कालाय सन्निज सुदर्शनमस्य तोस्य
कालानलोत्करकिरेण सुदर्शनेन
कालानलोत्करकिरेण सुदर्शनेन
शीर्षं च कर्तिथममर्दिथ चास्य सेनाम्
शीर्षं च कर्तिथममर्दिथ चास्य सेनाम्
तन्मित्रकाशिपशिरोऽपि च कर्थकाश्याम्
तन्मित्रकाशिपशिरोऽपि च कर्थकाश्याम् कालाय सन्निज सुदर्शनमस्य तोस्य कालानलोत्करकिरेण सुदर्शनेन शेषं च कर्तिथममर्दिथ चास्य सेनाम् तन्मित्रकाशिपशिरोऽपि च कर्थकाश्याम्.
Yes, quite a tongue twister it was. We'll need a practice to get all the shs, krs, khs, mahapranas and all. Without practice, it's tough. Never mind. Let's go ahead. Kalayasam. Ayasa is black. Kalayasam, black iron. Nija Sudarshana, his Sudarshan. Asyataha, he threw. Hmm? So this one throws his black iron Sudarshan on Lord. Lord has immediately Kalanalot Karakiranena Sudarshanena. So Lord has Kalanala. Kala, that times, Nala fire, in the fire of that time, he has thrown his Sudarshana and that Utkara Kiranena. So that time there was so much of light and fire emanated from it. And then Shirsham, his head, Kauntaka Vasudeva's head, Chakarthita, cut off. Mamarditha cha asya sena. His sena was Mamardhita, was also crushed. And then Mitra Kashipa, his Mitra Kashipa was Shiropi Chakartha and Kashyam. So he not only crushed the head of his friend, and he also he threw him back into Kashi. So much things happen in this one verse. कालाय सन्निज सुदर्शनमस्य तोस्य कालानलोत्करकिरेण सुदर्शनेन शीर्षं च कर्तिथममर्दिथ चास्य सेना तन्मित्रकाशिपशिरोऽपि च कर्तकाश्याम्. His head is also cut and he was thrown back into Kashi. Next one, Shobhaji. Number 5. Jalyena, and some book will have Jadyena, both are okay. Jalyena balaka girapi kilahameva.
जाल्येन बालकगिरापि किलाहमेव
श्रीवासुदेव इति रूढमतिश्चिरंसः.
श्रीवासुदेव इति रूढमतिश्चिरंसः
सायुज्यमेव भवदैक्यधिया गतोऽभूत्.
सायुज्यमेव भवदैक्यधिया गतोऽभूत्
को नाम कस्य सुकृतं कथमित्यवेयात्.
को नाम कस्य सुकृतं कथमित्यवेयात् जाल्येन बालकगिरापि किलाहमेव श्रीवासुदेव इति रूढमतिश्चिरंसः सायुज्यमेव भवदैक्यधिया गतोऽभूत् को नाम कस्य सुकृतं कथमित्यवेयात्.
Very melodious. Jalyena or Jadyena. That means out of stupidity. Balakagira, childish, what to say, promptings. Kila, ahameva, I am only Sri Vasudeva. Iti, Rudhamatihi. He had this wrong belief but firm belief. Chiram for a very long time. So out of the wrong advice given by his own ministers, though Pundraka Vasudeva was thinking like that, but he did hold on to the Lord's thought, thinking that he is. And for a long time he was holding that long thought. So what happens? Sayujyameva. He attains Sayujyam with Lord. So he also he unites with the Lord because he was thinking he is the Lord. Okay. And Bhavadeka Dhiyagato Bhut, because he was thinking like that and he was keeping one pointed attention that he is the Lord, he was thinking he has got a Sayujya liberation. Ko Nama, what we can say, Kasya, whose Sukrutam, some good punya, Katham, iti, aveyat, who can know? Which lifetimes punya fructifies in which lifetime? What we have. Sometimes we also feel that something very good is happening and we think, oh, what happened? I got this. I'm normally so very unlucky, but this time I'm so very lucky. Sometimes we know that I've not taken so much effort, but it has come to me just like that. So effort may not be physically of this lifetime. Somewhere something must have been done. And that phala has now fructified. So this last line, ko nama kasya, who can say whose phala is fructifying when? Like that, Bhattatriji comments. Because this one who was having this arrogance and stupid, but still it was. So we have seen this many times. Even Lord Shatrus and who are thinking, but even in that they are thinking of Lord, even if they are thinking ill for the Lord, they are still thinking for the Lord. So they also have reached Lord. If those can reach Lord, why can't we think of Lord? Our problem is we don't think only of the Lord. There is the problem. The evil people are better. They're thinking of the Lord out of fear. Okay, I have to kill Krishna, I have to kill Krishna, I have to kill Krishna, but they're thinking of Krishna. But we are not thinking, oh, I have to pray to the Lord, I have to do my puja, I have to do my jap. We don't think. There is the problem. We don't think as much as we should. And as much we can. We have capacity, we don't. जाल्येन बालकगिरापि किलाहमेव वा श्रीवासुदेवैति रूढमतिश्चिरं सः सायुज्यमेव भवदैक्यधिया गतोऽभूत् को नाम कस्य सुकृतं कथमित्यवेयात् कथम् इति अवेयात्. Okay, अवेयात् is the word over there. Quickly, Sandhi name.
Yansan.
Yan Sandhi. Okay, Padmaji, next one. Number 6. Kashishwarasya tanayotha sudakshinakhyah.
काशीश्वरस्य तनयोऽथ सुदक्षिणाख्यः
सर्वं प्रपूज्य भवते विहिताभिचारः.
सर्वं प्रपूज्य भवते विहिताभिचारः
कृत्यानलङ्कमपि बाणरणातिभीतैः.
वृत्यानलङ्कमपि बाणरणातिभीतैः
भूतैः कथञ्चन वृतैः सममभ्यमुञ्चत्.
भूतैः कथञ्चन वृतैः सममभ्यमुञ्चत्. काशीश्वरस्य तनयोऽथ सुदक्षिणाख्यः सर्वं प्रपूज्य भवते विहिताभिचारः कृत्यानलङ्कमपि बाणरणातिभीतैः भूतैः कथञ्चन वृतैः सममभ्यमुञ्चत्.
So now another story comes over here. So what has happened? Kashishwarasya Tanayaha. Kashishwara, king of Kashi, Tanayaha, son, by the name of what? Sudakshinakshaha. By the name of Sudakshina. So Sudakshina is the name of son of king of Kashi. Okay. So what he has done? Sharvam Prapuja. Sharva, Shiva. He has prayed to Lord Shiva and Bhavate Vihitabhicharaha. So now since he has prayed for Shiva, he's got some powers. And then Bhavate means Bhattatariji is saying to Lord Krishna, Vihitabhicharaha, against you only. Vihitabhicharaha. He has performed some ill action against you. So abhicharas are all those black magic and all. So Vihita means something very bad he has done to Lord. Who? Sudakshina has done to Lord Bhagavan Krishna. Then what he has produced over there is Krutyanalam. Anala is fire. He produces a fire called Krutya and Kamapi and some Banaranati Bhitaihi. The Bhutas have experienced what has happened to them when they had fought with Bana. Okay. So he has invoked Lord Shiva. Now he has created this thing against Lord Krishna. But now Lord Shiva has, Ganas have to come to Sudakshina. But they are already fearing, they know what is Krishna's power. Sudakshina has not known. But the Bhuta Ganas, the Jwara fight, we remember, a little while ago we saw. So those are remembering. So Bana Ranati Bhitaihi Bhutaihi, they are reluctant to come, but they have no choice. Kathancha Samabhya Munchat. But he has released them. Sudakshina has released them. The Bhutas are unwilling. Shiva Bhutas, Shiva Ganas are not wanting because they already know the glory of Lord Krishna. But now there is no choice. So they have been released by Sudakshina on Shri Krishna. काशीश्वरस्य तनयोऽथ सुदक्षिणाख्यः सर्वं प्रपूज्य भवते विहिताभिचारः कृत्यानलङ्कमपि बाणरणातिभीतैः भूतैः कथञ्चन वृतैः सममभ्यमुञ्च. How things are happening. Let us see. Lataji. Number 7. तालप्रमाणचरणामखिलं दहन्तीम्
तालप्रमाणचरणामखिलं दहन्तीम्
कृत्यां विलोक्य चकितः कथितोऽपि पौरैः
कृत्यां विलोक्य चकितः कथितोऽपि पौरैः
यूतोत्सवे किमपि नोचलितो विभो त्वम्
द्यूतोत्सवे किमपि नोचलितो विभो त्वम्
आश्वस्थमाशु विससर्जितः कालचक्रम्
पार्श्वस्थमाशु विससर्जितः कालचक्रम् तालप्रमाणचरणामखिलं दहन्तीम् कृत्यां विलोक्य चकितः कथितोऽपि पौरैः द्यूतोत्सवे किमपि नोचलितो विभो त्वम् पार्श्वस्थमाशु विससर्जितः कालचक्रम्.
So now what has happened? Now he has released that Kritya. And how is Kritya? Tala Pramana. Tala is the tala trees like the coconut tree. Palm tree size. Charana, like those legs. And Akhilam Dahanti. Whatever is coming in the way, everything is getting burnt. So Krityam Vilokya. Having seen Kruti, that Krutya Agni, Chakitaihi Kathita api Pauraihi. Pauraihi are all the citizens of that. They were very shocked to see that fire is coming and burning everything that is on the way, and it is like as tall as a palm tree. Dyutotsave kimapi no chalitaha vibho tvam. Oh Vibho, oh all pervading, tvam, you, Bhattatariji is saying, yeah. Dyutotsave, you are playing the Dyuta, you are playing the dice game. Kimapi no chalitaha, nothing you have moved, you have not gone also from that place. Parshvastha, it was sitting next to you. Ashu, immediately, Kala Chakram, your Sudarshana Chakra, Visasarjitha, you released it. Lord is playing the game of dice. People are terrified over here. Lord is not worried only of anything. He doesn't move from that place. Kimapi na chalitaha, took that Sudarshan and released from there only. And he is continuing to play his dice game. Tala pramana charana makhilandahanti. It's wrong to compare, but it is similar because in Kerala, Modi had come to inaugurate that port. Okay. Then he went to Hyderabad to do something. On the border, things are happening. And over here, the life is going as usual, inaugurating things and meeting people and doing things. I just felt that correlation. That things are happening, so many serious things are happening at the border. And over here, this is also coolly getting opened. Okay. This is a minute thing and what you see of the Lord's grace is sparkling. Kala pramana charanam akhilandahanti krityam vilokya chakitah kathitopi pauraihi dyutotsave kimapi no chalito vibhotvam parshvasthamashu visasarjitha kala chakram. Radha Krishnanji. Number 8. Abhyapatathyamita dhamni bhavan mahastre
अप्यापदत्यमित दाम्नि भवन्महास्त्रे
आहेति विद्रुतवती खलु घोरकृत्या
आहेदि विद्रुतवती खलु घोरकृत्या
रोषात्सु दक्षिणमदक्षिणचेष्टितन्तम्
रोषात्सु दक्षिणमदक्षिणचेष्टितन्तम्
उप्लोषचक्रमपि काशीपुरीमधाक्षीत्
उप्लोषचक्रमविकाशिपुरीमदाक्षीत् अभ्यापदत्यमितधाम्नि भवन्महास्त्रे आहेदि
That
विद्रुतवती
tune. अभ्यापतत्य
अभ्यापतत्यमितधाम्नि भवन्महास्त्रे आहेदि विद्रुतवती खलु घोरकृत्या रोषात्सु दक्षिणमदक्षिणचेष्टितन्तम् पुप्लोषचक्रमपि काशीपुरीमधाक्षी
So now what has happened? Abhyapatatya mitadhamni. Amitadhamni. Abhyapatati. Abhyapatati. It's going towards him, rushing towards him. Amitadhamni. Amita cannot count. Dhamni. Brilliance. Bhavan Mahastra. Your astra was such a great brilliance. It was just rushing towards it. Towards who? That Krutya Nala. Ha ha iti vidrutavati khalu ghora krutya. Ha ha. It was shouting, oh my God, oh my God. That ghora krutya, that terrible krutya. Roshat, in that anger. Sudakshinam api. Dakshina cheshtitam. Adakshina cheshtitam. Who has not done a good act. That Sudakshina also was Uplosha chakra, burnt. And then Chakramapi, Kashipurim also api, adhakshit. You burned Kashipuri also. Not only Kritya was chased, Sudakshina was also burned. Kashipuri was also burned in that, by that Sudarshan Chakra which followed. Abhyapatatyamitadhamni bhavan mahastre haheti vidrutavati khalu ghora kritya रोषात्सु दक्षिणमदक्षिणचेष्टितन्तम् उप्लोषचक्रमपि काशीपुरीमधाक्षीत्. Vane. Okay. So now the chandas is changing. स खलु विविधो रक्षो घाते कृतोपकृतिः पुरा
स खलु विविधो रक्षो घाते कृतोपकृतिः पुरा
तव तु कलया मृत्युम् प्राप्तुम् तदा खलताङ्गतः
तव तु कलया मृत्युम् प्राप्तुम् तदा खलताङ्गतः
नरकसचिवो देशक्लेशं सृजन्नगरान्तिके
नरकसचिवो देशक्लेशं सृजन्नगरान्तिके
झटिति हलिना युद्धन्नत्थापपाततलाहतः
Is it युद्धन् और युध्यन्?
युध्यन्.
झटिति हलिना युध्यन्नद्धापपाततलाहतः.
Did I say yuddhan that time?
I heard so.
Okay, then it's yudhyannadha, yudhyan adha. Adha, it won't be nadha when we break the sandhi. So while saying yudhannadha, but the word is adha.
Yudhyan adha.
Yudhan adha is the word. When we break the sandhi, while chanting, it will be together yudhannadha.
स खलु विविधो रक्षो घाते कृतोपकृतिः पुरा तव तु कलया मृत्युम् मृत्युं प्राप्तुं तदा खलताङ्गतः नरकसचिवो देशक्लेशं सृजन् नगरान्तिके झटिति हलिना युध्यन्नद्धापपाततलाहतः.
So now there is another Leela of the Lord. So another instance has come now. So khalu Vivida Raksho. Vividaha was one one person who had Raksho Ghate Krutopakruti Pura. When Lord's incarnation as Rama was there, Krutopakruti, Upakara. Krutopakruti means Upakara he had done that time. Raksho Ghate, in killing that time Ravana, this Vivida had helped Rama. Okay. So that time, Tava Kalaya, your Kala, by your Kala, means by one of your part incarnations. Mrityum Praptum Tada Khalatangataha. That he had desired that by a part incarnation, he must get death by Lord's hand. So that because of such kind of a wish, he was reborn as Naraka Sachiva. In Narakasura's Darbara, he was the minister who was causing Desha Klesham Sujan Nagarantike. So he was troubling the people and he was tormenting them. And that time, Jhatiti immediately Halina, by Halina, one who is holding Hala, means Balaramji, Yuddhan, he got into the fight, Yuddhan, Adhapapata Talahataha, Dha, very easily, Talahataha, he was with the Talahata, by the palm hit, by the only hand hit, he was Papata, he was fallen down. Fallen down means he fell down dead. स खलु विविधो रक्षो घाते कृतोपकृतिः पुरा तव तु कलया मृत्युं प्राप्तुं तदा खलताङ्गतः नरकसचिवो देशक्लेशं सृजन्नगरान्तिके झटिति हलिना युद्धन्नद्धापपाततलाहतः. See, when the chandas changes, at the time of chanting, we will not remember unless you have practiced it chanting every time. Some slokas which we have chanted as childhood, now even while we are cooking something or driving, it just comes automatically and we don't even think of what we are chanting. We just have to start and we can just put our mind into some work and the mouth goes on chanting. Because it has been said so many times. Our Narayanam has to be like that. So unless we chant it so many times, it will not sit on the tip of the tongue. It won't come automatically. There has to be an effort. So many chandas in this one dashakam itself. To switch over when the time comes, it's difficult. It cannot be of ease without practice. Okay, last and the best one. No hands are there. We will go back to Lataji then. First hand. What happens to everybody? Why you don't volunteer? Okay, one more verse. Lataji, lucky. You get another one. Srandhara, 7 + 7 + 7. Sambam Kauravya-putri Harana-niyamitam Santvanarthi Kurunam.
Sambam Kauravya-putri Harana-niyamitam Santvanarthi Kurunam.
Yatastadvakyaroshodhrutakari-nagaro mochayamasa Ramaha.
Yatastvakyarosho dhritakari-nagaro mochayamasa Ramaha.
ते घात्याः पाण्डवेयैरिति यदुपृतना नामुचस्त्वन्तदानीम्.
ते घात्याः पाण्डवेयैरिति यदुपृतनान्नामुचस्त्वन्तदानीम्
गन्त्वान् दुर्बोधलीलम् पवनपुरपते तापशान्त्यै निषेवे
तन्त्वान् दुर्बोधलीलं पवनपुरपते तापशान्त्यै निषेवे साम्बं कौरव्यपुत्री हरणनियमितं सान्त्वनार्थी कुरुणाम् यातस्तद्वाक्यरोषो धृतकरिनगरो मोचयामास रामः ते घात्याः पाण्डवेयैरिति यदुपृतनान्नामुचस्त्वन्तदानीम् तन्त्वान् दुर्बोधलीलं पवनपुरपते तापशान्त्यै निषेवे नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
Now another story is coming. Sambam. Now Samba is who? Son of who? Jambavati. Samba. So he was Kauravya Putri Harana Niyamita. Because of Kaurya Putri, he has now kidnapped Kauravya of Kuru. That means he has Duryodhana's daughter. He had kidnapped Duryodhana's daughter Lakshana. Samba had kidnapped, and that's why he was being captured by them. Oh, my connection is gone. Did you hear everything, or
No, we heard most of it. Only a little bit we missed.
Okay, so Samba, he had kidnapped Duryodhana's daughter Lakshana, and he was under captivity. So to release or to talk about it, Santvanarthi Kurunam Yataha. So who had gone over there? Yataha Ramaha. Ramaha, where it has come, second line, last word. Yataha, where has come, second line, first word. So Balramji had gone over there to do the reconciliation talk. But over there, Tadvakya Roshat, over there it turned into some fight. And Dhruta Karinagara Mochayamasa. He got so angry while talking to Kauravas that Karinagaraha, that means that Hastinapuraha, Udhritaha, he lifted the whole thing only. Who? Balramji. Te ghatyaha. So they have to be killed. By who? Pandavaihi. By Pandavas only. Iti. Yadupratana na amuchaha. Tvam tadanim. Bhattatri is saying Tvam tadanim. You means to Lord Krishna. Tadanim. That time. Yadupratana na amuchaha. You didn't send your Yadava army over there. Because Te ghatyaha, they were supposed to be killed by Pandavas only. Tam tvam durbodha leelam. Like this, your leelas, they cannot be understood only. Durbodha leelam. But, oh Pavanapura pate, tapashantyai nisheve. I just worship you. So that whatever are my tapas, please remove that. Let the tapas shanti happen. This is how Bhattatri prays. So this word is something new. Not so often we have seen. So 83 dashakams are over today. Today we see tapashantyai nisheve. I worship you to remove my tapas. All of us have got not just the physical. So far he was saying just, physical pain you remove. Okay. Or pahimam, protect me. Tapashanti, so much those mental kleshas we carry inside. Okay. All are not told. Physical pain probably will say, okay, I'm having a knee pain, I'm having this kind of a disease, I'm having whatever. This mental tapa, sometimes we can't speak it to anyone, even to our closest. Something we suffer internally. Tapashanti nisheve. So this particular dashakam talks about that. Tapashanti nisheve. I worship you, Krishna. You do my tapashanti. What more we can ask? So again, this dashakam one can read because the Kalashruti in that verse is asked for, that is Tapashanti. साम्बं कौरव्यपुत्री हरणनियमितं सान्त्वनार्थी कुरूणाम् यातस्तद्वाक्यरोषोद्धृतकरिनगरो मोचयामास रामः ते घात्याः पाण्डवेयैरिति यदुपृतनामुचस्त्वं तदानीं तन्त्वान् दुर्बोधलीलं पवनपुरपते तापशान्त्यै निषेधे सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. With his immense krupa on us, we've completed this chapter without borrowing time from anywhere. On our own, we have completed today again with his krupa. May he keep us protected. May we continue his journey tomorrow. So, if anybody has any pronunciation issues, all clear? Today, Prashantji has joined us newly from Mohali. Thank you, Prashantji, for joining. If you have any doubts, you please message me, because so many things has happened today. The chandas which we have repeated, we don't discuss. If any new chandas is there, then we talk about it and we tell about the rules. And then there are some chanting rules, like which anuswara has to be pronounced how. So that has been said. So you can always message me, and I'll give you a YouTube link where you can find the previous chapters. Dashakams are there, but always feel free to talk. Thank you for joining. Okay, so let us end the session, but I still feel we can borrow the time. We'll do the parayana of this one, no? We have time and it is all okay. So those who want to volunteer these 10 shlokas, let me have at least 10 hands. 5 hands are already there. 6 became and again 5. Okay, 4 more hands. 4 more hands. 7. 3 more hands. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Quickly, 3 hands. Otherwise, I'm going to call out names. Yes, Indira ji. Shailaja ji, why your hand is not up? Let me see your hand up. 9. And I'm going to bring in one more. Who is there? All are sitting with camera off, hiding. Come on, I need 2 more hands. Nobody is ready. Nandini ji has come up. Yes. Nandini ji. Yes. One more. Okay. Okay, the first verse, Lata ji. Second, Shobha ji. Third, Lata Kartik ji. Fourth one, Radha Krishnan ji. Fifth one, Avanni. Sixth one, Padma ji. Seventh one, Gayatri ji. Eighth one, Indira ji. Ninth one, Nandini ji. 10th one, I will only do now. Nobody is ready. What is this? So many people are there on call, but okay, let us start.
रामेथ गोकुलगते प्रमदा प्रसक्ते पूतानुपेत यमुनादमने मदान्धे स्वैरं समारमति सेवकवादमूढः दूतं ययुङ्क्त तव पौण्ड्रक वासुदेवः
नारायणोऽहमवतीर्ण इहास्मि भूमौ धत्से किल त्वमपि मामकलक्षणानि उत्सृज्य तानि शरणौ व्रजमामिति त्वां दूतो जगाद सकलैर्हसितः सभायाम्
दूतेऽथ यातवति यादव सैनिकैस्त्वं यातो ददर्शितवपुः किल पौण्ड्रकीयं तापेन वक्षसि तापेन वक्षसि कृताङ्कमनल्पमूल्य श्रीकौस्तुभं मकरकुण्डलपीतचेलम्
कालाय सन्निजसुदर्शनमस्य तोऽस्य कालानलोत्करकिरेण सुदर्शनेन शीर्षं च ममर्थितचास्य सेनां तन्मित्रकाशिपशिरोऽपि च गर्तकाश्याम्
जाल्येन बालकगिरापि किलाहमेव श्रीवासुदेव इति रूढमतिश्चिरंसः सायुज्यमेव भवदैक्यधिया गतोऽभूत् को नाम कस्य सुकृतं कथमित्यवेयात्
काशीश्वरस्य तनयोऽथ सुदक्षिणाख्यः शर्वं प्रपूज्य भवते विहिताभिचारः कृत्यानलङ्कमपि बाणरणातिभीतैर्भूतैः कथञ्चन वृतैः सममभ्यमुञ्चत्
कालप्रमाणचरणमखिलं दहन्तीं कृत्यां विलोक्य चकितैः कपि कथितोऽपि पौरैः द्यूतोत्सवे किमपि नो चलितो विभो त्वं पार्श्वस्तमासु विससज्जित कालचक्रम्
अभ्यापतत्यमितधाम्नि भवन्महास्त्रे हा हेति विद्रुतवती खलु घोरकृत्या रोषात् सुदक्षिणमदक्षिणचेष्टितन्तं पुप्लोषचक्रमपि काशीपुरी मधाक्षीत्
खलु विविधो
खलु विविधो रक्षो घाते कृतोपकृतिः पुरा
खलु विविधो रक्षो घाते कृतोपकृतिः पुरा तव तु कलया मृत्युं प्राप्तुं तदा खालतां गतः नरकसचिवो देक्षक क्लेशं सृजन् नगरान्तिके झटिति हलिना
झटिति झटिति
झटिति हलिना युध्यन् नधा पपातला हतः
Lata ji, you do the last one. Lata Kartik ji.
साम्बं कौरव्यपुत्री हरणनियमितं सान्त्वनार्थी कुरुणाम् यातस्तद्वाक्यरोषो धृतकरिनगरो मोचयामास रामः ते घात्याः पाण्डवेयैरिति यदुपृतनाम् ते घात्याः पाण्डवेयैरिति यदुपृतना नामुचस्त्वन्तदानीम् तन्त्वान् दुर्बोधलीलं पवनपुरपते तापशान्त्यै निषेपे सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते.
Excellent. All have got it. So quick recap.
Hari Om Harsha, one small clarification.
Yes.
In
Yes,
10th
yes.
verse, first line, that is Kurunam or Kurunam. Ru is Dirgha U or small? Kurunam, yeah,
You only
Kurunam.
have to tell me. I can't see. I'll take a picture and I'll enlarge it and see. What are you seeing over there?
No. In my book, it is Kurunam. Dirgha Ukara
It is
is there.
Dirgha. It is Dirgha. I have enlarged it. It is Dirgha. Kuruna.
Dirgha. Yeah. So everyone is chanting Kurunam. That's why I asked.
No, it is a Dirgha. Okay. It is Dirgha. Thank you, Vanne. Okay. Any more doubts? All clear? Indraji, you have a doubt? No, okay, then I'll lower your hand.
No, sorry, I didn't get the tune right. Sorry.
Okay, no, because that chandas is changing, and that's the time when I said that it won't come easily. Harini. Sakhalu vividho raksho ghate. So not to say raksho and breathe and continue ghate. Raksho ghate is one word, but we have to in that breath only we have to say Sakhalu vividho raksho ghate krutopakritif pura. So in one breath it has to happen. Raksho is not a break. Raksho ghate is one word. Raksho ghate. Like that, the tune over there. Avatu kalaya mrityum. So there you can pause. Praptum tada khalatangataha. Okay, Indiraji? So now we'll have a quick recap. In the first verse, what we have seen, that Balramji was enjoying, and then he called in his intoxication Yamuna river. She doesn't come, and then he has changed the course of the river. One part. In the next two lines, this Sevaka Mudhas are there, the bad ministers who advise the king, who? Paundra Vasudeva, and that's how on their advice he has sent one Duta. To whom? To Krishna. Second verse, what happens? The Duta comes and tells that his king, Paundraka Vasudeva says that Aham Narayanaha, Aham Avatirnaha, Ihasmi, in this bhumi, I am the Avatirna, I am the incarnation of Narayana. Dhatse kila tvamapi mamaka lakshanani, you are holding all my signs and symbols. So, Utsrujyatani, please remove all of that. Sharanam Brajamam, and come as a refuge to me. Duto Jagada, you send the Duta, and Sakalai Hasitaha Swabhayam. Everybody laughed in that Sabha assembly. Then in the third verse, Dutetha Yatavati, when that Duta has left, Yadava Sainikaistvam, with the Yadava Sainikas, you have gone to that Paundrika, and that time you saw on him that Apena with the burnt mark is there on the chest, and he has made that same mark, and then Analpa Mulya, not cheap, very costly Mulya. Shri Kaustubha is also shining over there. There is a Makara Kundal also, and he is wearing Pita Chelam, yellow vastra also. In the fourth verse, what we have seen, Kala Yasam, in the black color Ayasa, in the iron, Nija Sudarshanam Asyataha, he sends his, this Paundriya, he sends his Sudarshana on Bhagavan. Bhagavan immediately sends his Sudarshana, and like a fire, blazing fire, his Shirsham Chakarthita, his head is cut off, and Chasya Sena Mamarditha, his Sena, his army is also crushed, and then Tan Mitra Kashipaha, his Mitra Kashipa is also Chakartha, Kashyam, his Shirapi Chakartha, he is also beheaded, and he is sent to Kashi. In number 5, Jalyana Balaka Girapi Kilahameva, even if it was a childish stupid words and advice that he has got, but he was thinking, Vasudeva ha Rudhamatihi Chiram, for a long time he was holding that he is the Vasudeva thought, and because of that he gets Sayujya, and Gati he gets, and whose Konama Kasya Sukrutam Kathamive, whose fruit fructifies when, of which birth, we cannot say. Number 6, Kashishwarasya Tanaya Sudakshina Kashi Raja's son, Sharvam Prapuja, having worshipped Shankara, Bhavate Vihita Bhicharaha, on you only he is doing some ill treatment, some black magic. Then he has produced this Krutya Anala, he has produced one Anala fire called Krutya, and with the Shiva Bhutas, he has sent it on the Bhuta, and who were not willing to go, but they had to go on to the Lord. Though Bana, they had the Bana Ranati Bhitahi, of the Bana's war, that time they had experience and they were very scared to go with Krutya. But this Krutya, Tala Pramana Charana Makhila, whose legs were as tall as the palm trees, Dahanti, everything she was burning. And that time Krutyam Vilokya, seeing her, Chakitai Kathita Pauraihi, all the citizens were like wondering and fear, and they ran to Krishna. Dyutotsave, Krishna was playing the dice. Kimapino Chalita, he doesn't move a bit. Vibhotvam, oh all pervading Lord. Parshvamastamashu, the one which was nearby. Kala Chakram Visarsarjita, you released your Sudarshana Chakram without budging from that dice play. Abhyapatyamita Dhamni Bhavan Mahastre, and your Mahastra has gone. Ha ha heti vidrutavati ghora kritya, that terrible kritya. She was like, oh my God, she was so scared. And that also in that anger, Sudakshina also, Adakshina Cheshtitam, who has not done a good. Sudakshina is the name, and Adakshina Cheshtitam. Again, this Bhattatariji's play of Sanskrit word is we have to enjoy. Huh? His name is Sudakshina, but what he has done, Adakshina Cheshtitam. So this is one rhyming repetition metaphor, this figure of speech he has used. And Puplosha Chakramapi Kashiva. So Krutya is also chased away. Sudakshina is also burst. Not only that, burned. Kashipuri is also burned. Then we come to the 9th verse. Then the Vividha. So one Vividha during Lord's previous incarnation, Rama's incarnation, who has helped Rama for killing Ravana. That time he had the desire that Bhagavan's Amshavatara has to happen from at least the death. His death should be from the Amshavatara. He had prayed for that. And then he gets Narakasura's minister position. That time he was harassing so many people and his death comes through Balarama's just talahata, just with one hand slap only he has died. Who? That Vividha. But not as Vividha, in Narakasura's minister position. Then the last verse comes, Samba, who has kidnapped Duryodhana's daughter, is now under captivity. And then Balramji has gone over there to console, but that consolation has gone into her anger, and he has Udruta Karinagara only. He has lifted up the whole Hastinapura, but still, Hatyaha Pandave, they are supposed to be killed by Pandavas. Therefore, Yadu Prutana na amuchu hutadanim tvam. You have not sent your Yadava army because their death is written in the name of Pandavas. Tantvam Durbodha Leelam, your Leelas are Durbodha, nobody can understand, oh Lord, what you are doing. Pavanapurapate, Tapashante Nisheve. I pray, O Pavanapuripate, O Guru Bhairappa, for my Tapashanti. So we have finished our quick revision also. We will go to Daily Gita. Daily Gita, please do join. Today is Monday. We start with chapter 1. By Sunday, we finish the whole Gita chanting by chapter 18. Those who have yet not joined, please join. From the community, you will get the Daily Gita group. Let's end today's session. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. See you all tomorrow for the next 2 Dashakams.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Hari.
Thank you.
Hari Om Shanti.
Thank you.
Hari Om Varshaji, thank you.
Hari Om ji. Thank you.
Hari Om Varsha. Thank you so
Hari Om
much.
Vane. Thank you, Vane. Thank you for bringing out some crucial points of pronunciation. Thank you.